Hi everyone, Victoria from HubTop. Today we will talk about the indoor air quality monitor model for you. So now let's start.
In the app, it is very easy. You can see everything just at the home page. In the touch panel, it is a little bit tricky. You can see all the symbols right here: humidity, PM 2.5, VOC, and CO2. You can press the mode button to switch between temperature, CO2, humidity, PM 2.5, and VOCs. If you have up to 2 or 3 or 4 modules, you can press the mode button for 5 seconds and hear a sound of beep. Then you can see the module number 1 at the top right corner. Then you can press up and down button to switch between this module, and press set button to see different parameters. And you can set one of them as primary to show on the main screen and the app. By accessing parameter number 27, to change it, you will need to switch off the ventilator first, then press mode button for 5 seconds and hear a sound of beep, and press set button to go to parameter number 27 and press mode button to enter setting, and press up and down button. You can change the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and set number 1 as primary. Then press mode again to confirm the setting, and press on and off to access this parameter.
Okay, that's all for the IAQ model for you. If you would like further details, please contact us.